Imagine, if you will, floating in a sea of absolute blackness. All around you is the silent velvet dark of space, studded with the unwavering light of distant stars. You are suspended in an endless night, a place of profound quiet and stillness. Then, as your capsule gently turns, something quite extraordinary begins to fill the window. It is a soft, rising curve of the most brilliant blue, so vivid it almost hurts to look at. This isn't just a color, it feels like an emotion, a feeling of life and warmth blooming in the cold emptiness. It grows and grows until it fills your entire view, a breathtaking sphere of impossible beauty. This is it. This is the moment you first lay eyes on Earth, our home from the heavens above. That first sight is something that stays with you forever. As you continue to gaze upon our world, you begin to notice the finer details, the delicate features that make it so unique. Swirling across the vast blue oceans are veils of the purest white. These are the clouds, but they are unlike any clouds you have seen from the ground. From up here, they look like wisps of spun silk or delicate brushstrokes of white paint on a blue canvas. They drift and dance in slow, graceful patterns, driven by winds you cannot feel. Sometimes they form vast, spiraling cyclones, powerful and immense, yet from this distance they possess a quiet, majestic beauty. The oceans themselves are a spectacle to behold. They are not a single uniform blue but a rich tapestry of countless shades. Over the deep trenches, the water is a dark, inky navy, holding secrets of the abyss. Near the coasts and around islands, it transforms into brilliant shades of aquamarine jade, so clear you feel you could almost see the coral reefs below. You can trace the coastlines of continents, watching where the deep blue gives way to the shallow, lighter waters. It is in these moments that you truly appreciate the sheer amount of water that covers our planet. As the Earth continues its slow, majestic rotation, your view is plunged into darkness. But this is not the empty blackness of deep space. As the sun sets on the continents below, a new and equally magical sight begins to emerge. Tiny pinpricks of light start to appear, at first scattered and faint, then growing into vast, glittering networks that trace the patterns of human civilization. These are the lights of our cities, our towns, our homes, shining like scattered diamonds on a cloth of black velvet. It is an astonishing sight, a testament to the presence of humanity, a beautiful and intricate web of light woven across the face of the planet. Following the Terminator, the moving line between day and night, is a truly mesmerizing experience. You watch as entire continents slowly slip into shadow, and as they do, this web of man-made constellations awakens. Some areas blaze with an intense, concentrated brilliance. You can easily pick out the sprawling metropolises of London, Tokyo, or New York. Seeing Earth from this magnificent vantage point, it does something profound to you. It fundamentally changes the way you see the world and your place within it. Down on the surface, our lives are often filled with worries that seem enormous. We are consumed by our deadlines, our disagreements, our daily struggles. Our world can feel small and constrained, defined by the walls of our homes, the boundaries of our towns. But from up here, floating in the silent expanse, all of that melts away. The planet appears so peaceful, so whole. The conflicts and divisions that seem so important on the ground are completely invisible from this height. You look for the borders between countries, the lines drawn on maps that have been the cause of so much strife, but of course they are not there. You see only a continuous, seamless landscape of mountains, rivers, plains. A cloud that forms over one nation drifts lazily over another without a passport. As your time in the heavens draws to a close and you prepare to return to the world below, you carry this new perspective with you. It is a gift, a treasure that you will hold in your heart for the rest of your life. The memory of Earth, glowing like a sapphire in the darkness, is forever etched into your mind. You can no longer see the world in the same way. Every sunrise, every cloud in the sky, every river flowing to the sea. You are left with an undeniable and urgent sense of purpose to share what you have seen and to champion the cause of our planet. This view from space is a privilege that very few have experienced firsthand, but its message is for everyone. Unity, fragility, hope. It tells us that despite our differences, we are all bound together on this one small world. It shows us that our home is a delicate and finely balanced system.